Hey, how's it going, everybody? So for this activity, it is the varsity sports attendance. So our main objective is to replicate this chart that I'm presenting you all today on this tutorial. Now, on your Google Classroom, I gave you all a PDF copy of this just to give you an idea of what it looks like. But this tutorial will give you a step-by-step of how you successfully complete this activity. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to the student version of this activity. And we all should know that the first thing we need to do is we need to highlight our data. So you need to highlight the years in all the sports. Then you need to go to insert, and then you need to go to chart. So already it gives us a line chart, and that's something that we want, right? So just to match it, it looks pretty good. So the first thing I notice is that my title is baseball, football, basketball, and soccer. And rather for my version is the McKinley High athletic event attendance. So that should be your title. To do that, all you have to do is just click on your chart. And then where it says the chart title on the left, on the right, I'm sorry, you can either change it underneath where it says title text, or you can actually change it in your chart. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get rid of the title in the chart and just going to type in McKinley High athletic event attendance. And then I'm going to make it bold. So I just highlight my title, make it bold. I'm going to make it turn the text color into black. And then as you can see here, I have it centered. So go to the title format, go to your alignment, and then center it. The next thing I'm going to do is this little icon right on the right that's called your legend. So to move your legend, all you have to do is click on your legend on your chart. And right here, it's giving me text format, and that's not what I want. So I'm just going to go back, and already it gives me the legend tab on the customization on your chart. To do that, all you have to do is just hit the position. And like I said in my previous statement, you're going to move it towards the right. So from auto, you're going to go to the right, and boom, that's part two. The second thing you're going to do is you're going to add titles for your horizontal and vertical axes. So for the horizontal, it is the years. So you should, let me double check. Yeah, so it should be the years. So as you can see here, this is fine. But then on my vertical axis, up and down, that should be labeled the attendance. To do that, all you have to go is go to chart. And instead of chart title, you're going to go to horizontal and just write attendance. And it should appear, oh, actually, no, I lied. So horizontal is side by side and vertical is up and down. So I apologize. Doing a tutorial this late is not the greatest idea. So this should be labeled attendance. And then you can make this bold as well. So just highlight it, and just make it bold. Let's see here, anything else I'm missing? Other than that, this looks pretty good. You can always change like the colors if you want, if that interests you, but it's fine with me. I can change that to a pink if I wanted to, or if I can change this line into like a blue. So you can always change it up, but it's not required for this activity. Again, if you're ever confused, rewatch this video. I guarantee you'll get it. And if you don't, just feel free to let me know if you have any questions in Google Classroom. But in the meantime, in between time, that is all. And I will see you all soon.